Hi, grade 4 Emariti syllabus. This video for Emariti syllabus, grade 4, second term, the second week of this term. It will be about the space, about exploring space. And next video, I will go to another topic, which is incredible inventions. But before I will go to our unit today or our lesson today, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel. This is my channel to send you new videos. Let's go to our lesson today. Today in this lesson we talk about the space and exploring space. Let's read or let's know more about this topic. Here we say, let's think about the space. So here we talk about the space and solar system. I think this topic is related to science more than in English, okay? Because talking about the space and the stars and the planets is all these topics of the science, not in English, but here have a topic from the science we take in English as we must know it, okay, in this subject. Let's read the text and know more about this topic. How many planets are there in solar system? So here we talk about the planets that in our solar system. What is the biggest planet? What is the name of first Emirati space? First Emirati space. Here we say I don't know, but maybe this means that I guess, not I'm sure. I think. Ask your partner some questions about space. Let's go to another item here. Here we have the letter. This is a star. I would like to repeat with me. Star, star, star. Let's go to another one. Here is to say astronaut, astronaut. Here is astronaut. It will be astronaut. The one who traveled the space. Astronaut. You say astronaut, astronaut. This is an astronaut. Let's go to another one. Planet. This is a planet. Planet. So I repeat again and repeat after me. Here, star. We have here star. Next one, it will be astronaut, astronaut, astronaut. Next one, it will be planet, planet, planet. Let's go to another one. Earth, earth, earth. Sun, sun, sun. Moon, moon, moon. Rocket, rocket, rocket. Here we have some questions. Let's know it together. We use the present simple to give facts. So here in this unit, we learn the present simple, and we know that present simple, when we use a present simple to expressing what? To expressing facts and habits, as we know during learning this tense. Facts and habits. We know that very well, okay? Facts and habits. Okay, and the present simple, the formula of the present simple by putting the verb in what? Adding s to the verb, by adding s to the verb, and we have pronouns that don't take s, which is you, we, they don't take s. The rest of the pronouns he, she, it take s. Okay, let's continue the rest of this topic. Here we have Jupiter is the biggest planet. The Earth is a planet. There are millions of stars in the space. So the space full of many stars. The moon goes around the earth. This is the must know this information, that the moon goes around the earth. Astronauts travel in rocks. Astronauts travel in rockets. The sun is a star. I will repeat again. Jupiter is the biggest planet. The earth is a planet. There are millions of stars in space. The moon goes around the earth. I think all of us know this from the science, okay? Astronauts travel in rockets. The sun is a star. Let's go to another one. Here we say, there are a lot of space in the space. Space here, I would like to say space means we have the word that we must put it, okay? And the space here is the space that we know, okay? The place that we have stars, moon, and so on. So here we say there are a lot of stars in space. Rockets carry space into space. The moon, astrons, stars. You are clever people to say astrons, Miss Iman. You are clever pupils. The Earth is a planet, as we know. The smallest planet is Mercury. It's the smallest planet. The biggest one is what? Is Jupiter. The smallest one is what? Is Mercury. Okay. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. Here we say in English, some words join together to make a new word. Okay, so we have in English we say words with two syllables. Okay, when we connect it together, it will be here. It will be here a new word like what? Starlight, space suit, spaceship. So I will repeat again: starlight, space suit, spaceship. This called the words that with more than one syllable. Space station and rocket ship. Let's go to another one. Here we have a story. Let's read it together. I live in a space station. When I wake up, I look out of the window. So all of us can imagine, we can imagine if we live in space, what we can see. We can see the planets, we can see moon, we can see stars. And I think if we go to the space, we can see everything except imagining the space, not doing anything, not working, not waking up early and don't do anything except that, except enjoying the space. I live in a space station. When I wake up, I look out of the window. I can see lots of stars and moonlight from the moon. After breakfast, I put on my spacesuit. It's very big, but it keeps me safe in space. Next, I travel in rocket ship. The rocket ship moves very fast through space. I look out again and see bright starlight. I feel happy as I work and I live in space. Yes, you feel happy. Can't feel happy what if he don't didn't if he doesn't feel happy. Which one is feel happy? Let's go to another one. Read living in space again and find all the compound nouns. Here we have compound nouns mean that the nouns that have two parts. Like what? Here we have space station. Here we have space station, moonlight, rocket ship. Here is rocket ship. Here is rocket ship. Here is we have space suit, starlight. I will repeat again. Have here compound nouns. Let's learn it together. We have here space station, moonlight, space suit, starlight. We have here rocket ship. So let's go to another one. So what does they wear? Wear what? Wearing what? Space suit. Travel and what? Travel by what? Here is the travel. The space by what? Travel by rocket ship. Travel by rocket ship. Here is what does Austrian see when see what? See moonlight. Where do the Austrian live? Live in what here? Live in what? Live in space. I think so. Live in what? Live in space. Live in space. Okay. Here is live in space. Let's go to another one. Let's do this exercise together. Here we say, where do you live? What can you see when you look out of the window? What do you wear? How do you travel? Do you like living in space? Why and why not? So here, this is the questions that we can imagine if you live in a space. I live in, when I look out of the window, I can see stars, moonlight, and so on. I wear space suit. I travel by rocket ship. I like living in space because the space is, I think, quieter than the Earth. Quieter than the Earth. I think so. Okay. This is the thing that I imagine for me. Here is in this part we have here a project or a activity. Draw a picture about space and write sentence about the picture. We have learned the sentence. You can write it here and write some interesting facts about space. Okay. Let's go to another one here. Here we have the words and we have here the sentence that complete by this word. I am space happy today. Very or when. You can say, you can imagine with me. You can say I'm when happy today. No, it's wrong. To be here, I'm very happy. I space a new book at home. I have. Okay, have means something belongs to me. Space, you have, got, do you go to bed? Do you go to bed? So I asked about the time that I go to bed. When do you go to bed? This story is space, my friend, is about my friend. By this video, we end from the first part of this topic. Next video, I will continue the rest of this topic. I hope to benefit and enjoy my video today. Don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel. Follow me during Ramadan because I have many more, I have more videos and I explain more and more. Okay, thanks a lot. Until you meet again. Goodbye.